Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome at Tabarak Academy. This is Amr, a Quran and Tajweed teacher for non-Arabic speakers. Inshallah, in this video we will cover what is the meaning of Al-Iqlab and we will take some examples. Okay, if you wanna know, let's start. What is the meaning of Al-Iqlab? Okay, Al-Iqlab or changing, I think you can guess the meaning of this rule from its name. Okay, that we will change or we will turn Nun Sakina or Tanween if it followed by Ba letter. Yeah, and Iqlab maybe comes between one word or two words. Okay, let's see some examples. لا ينبذن Okay, what you have noticed here that we have changed or turned the nun sakina to mim. لا ينبذن because it's followed by ba letter. Yes, may Allah bless you. عليم بذات الصدور. Okay, عليم بذات الصدور. Okay, I think you have noticed here that Tanween with Dhamma turned it to Mim because it's followed by Ba letter and it comes between two words. عليم بذات. Yes. Alhamdulillah, in this video we have covered what is the meaning of Al-Iqlab or turning, and we have practiced on some examples. I think that's all, and I can see you inshallah in the next video. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Salam.